Absolutely. I'm there for you.
All right. We were down a little bit yesterday. Just towards the end of the day, we just dipped into negative territory. What happened yesterday?
Well, compared to some of the big drops in history, yes, down 2.9%. But still down 724 points, closing at 23,958. We're again right at that 10% decline from the peak back in January. We had early February, we were down about 11.5%. So we haven't gone lower, but we're definitely testing the drop we had in early February. And actually, that's very normal action in a market correction, but it sure isn't fun.
Was it all in reaction to the worry of a trade war?
Well, I think so. I mean, if you can say this slowly, let me see. Tit for tat, tariff, tiff.
Yeah.
How do you like that?
Yeah.
Tit for tat. And that's really what it was. The tit for tat, us and China talking about tariffs on different areas. What got hit the hardest yesterday?
What did get hit the hardest yesterday?
Boeing got hit real hard. Caterpillar, John Deere, some of the technology stocks. And then ultimately banks got hit pretty hard too. Now, Boeing, Deere, Caterpillar all do a lot of business with China. China will threaten at some point to say, okay, we won't buy the Boeing passenger plane, we'll buy the Airbus passenger plane. So of course they get hit. Expansion and growth in China, Caterpillar and Deere have been a lot about that over the years. And of course, this is not good for China's economy. It's not good for our economy.
Yeah.
So, no one wins in this type of, spitting contest at all.
Yeah. China, have they said anything or have they not said anything in terms of a retaliation?
They actually said a few things. They threw a few things out there yesterday. And probably, the things they said had to do more with farming products, soybeans, pork, stuff like that. So farming products, they buy food, and our farmers do a lot. Farming is a huge export business for the United States.
Yeah, a lot of people say that they're going to start going after Donald Trump's base, which is those red rural states like Missouri, like Southern Illinois, like the Midwest, which is the breadbasket of the world.
Last week when Europe was upset at some of the things with the steel tariffs, one of the first things they went after was bourbon from Kentucky because we have a political leader from Kentucky.
Right.
They went after, I think it was cranberries from Wisconsin, Paul Ryan.
Yeah.
So, it was very specific with some of our leaders on where they were attacking on the at least the rhetoric part.
Yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. All right, what about, I'm afraid to ask you about today's market.
Well, today right now, 3-4 hours ago, it looked like today might be down about 250. Right now, we're looking about somewhere between about 75 and about 100. It's been flip-flopping back and forth. So, at this point, it doesn't look to be too bad today. I think a lot of digesting is taking place. There's no doubt some people are nibbling in this type of market. Opportunity, things are on sale, if you want to say it. But it's hard to say, and we have a weekend coming up.
Yeah. Dwayne Thomas with Stifel Nicholas. Every time you're with us, we appreciate the insights. Have yourself a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Sounds great. Thank you, McGraw.
Dwayne Thomas with